In this video, I'm about to show you how to use SEMrush to your advantage for your YouTube channel. First, open Google Chrome and type SEMrush into the search bar. Hit enter and then click on the first link in the results. Once you're in the SEMrush homepage, enter your website name as YouTube to link your channel. Then click on Start Now. Now you're in the SEMrush dashboard. Here you'll notice options like site audit, position tracking, and more. These tools can help you track your YouTube performance terms of SEO, keyword rankings, and visibility. Next, locate the on-page SEO checker option and click Setup. This tool provides specific SEO recommendations for your content to help it rank better. Click Continue to proceed with the setup. After that, click on Collect Ideas, and SEMrush will start gathering data for your YouTube channel. This may take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a list of optimization ideas. These will include top 10 benchmarking, which lets you compare your performance with top channels in your niche, as well as idea tasks, which are specific actions you can take to improve your SEO. By using these recommendations, you can boost your channel's visibility on search engines and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.